the moon poem. See the picture. What is this? Do you find? Yes, this is the moon. And these are all the stars. Okay. When does the moon appear? Daytime or night time? Yes, night time. Where it will appear? In the sky. Okay. The moon has its own light? No. The moon absorbs the lights from the sun at the daytime, and the night time it will reflect the lights to us. Okay. Then see what is the color of the moon? Do you know? Yes, the moon is a white in color. The moon is stars. Okay. Today our lesson is Chanda Mama, the moon poem. Shall we see that? Shall we go to our lesson? Okay, children, take your book. Okay, right, children, take your book. See, this is our lesson. What is this? Do you understand? Do you find? Yes, this is a moon. See, has eyes, nose, and mouth. Okay. Chanda Mama is a Kavita. Okay, listen. 2 paragraphs we have. See the girl. What she is doing? She is seeing in the moon. She is seeing the moon. Okay, listen the lesson. Chanda Mama गोल मटोल कुछ तो बोल कल ते आते आज हो गोल खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल. Right, children, once again. Chanda Mama गोल मटोल. चंदा मामा गोल मटोल कुछ तो बोल कल ते आधे आज हो गोल खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल. Okay, shall we sing one time? See the first paragraph only. Chanda Mama गोल मटोल. How? Chanda Mama गोल मटोल कुछ तो बोल Chanda Mama गोल मटोल कुछ तो बोल कल ते आधे आज हो गोल खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल. कल ते आधे आज हो गोल भी दो अब अपनी बोल. चंदा मामा गोल मटोल कुछ तो बोल कल ते आधे आज हो गोल खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल. चंदा मामा गोल मटोल. Okay, clear, children? See the meaning. Chanda Mama Gol Matol. Okay, the moon is very chubby. See how chubby is this? Okay, Gol Matol chubby. Kuch to bol. Say something. She asking to the moon. This is the rhymes. Okay, what she asking from the moon? Chanda Mama, you are very chubby. Say something. And then kal te aadhe aaj ho gol. Yesterday was half, but today be round. She asking. Now खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल. Open your poll now. She asking. Okay, you also try to sing. How to sing? Chanda Mama Gol Matol. Follow me. Chanda Mama Gol Matol कुछ तो बोल कलते आधे आज हो गोल खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल। कलते आधे आज हो गोल खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल। चंदा मामा गोल मटोल। Right, children? You also try to sing the rhyme. Okay, are you clear now? Okay, the next paragraph. रात होते ही तुम आ जाते। रात होते ही तुम आ जाते। संग साथ सितारे लाते। संग साथ सितारे लाते। लेकिन दिन में कहाँ छिप जाते। लेकिन दिन में कहाँ छिप जाते। कुछ तो बोल कुछ तो बोल। ओके, रात होते ही तुम आ जाते। You would come at night. Okay, she said to the moon. रात होते ही तुम आ जाते। You would come at night. संग साथ सितारे लाते। Bring the stars with you. She said to the moon. Who said? She. संग साथ सितारे लाते। लेकिन दिन में कहाँ छिप जाते। But where do you hide during the day? Chip, hide. Okay. But where do you hide during the day? कुछ तो बोल. Say something, say something. Once again, read this. रात होते ही तुम आ जाते। संग साथ सितारे लाते। लेकिन दिन में कहाँ छिप जाते। कुछ तो बोल कुछ तो बोल। ओके चिल्ड्रन, शैल वी सिंग? रात होते हैं तुम आ जाते। संग साथ सितारे लाते हैं। लेकिन दिन में कहाँ छिप जाते। कुछ तो बोल कुछ तो बोल। Once again, रात होते ही तुम आ जाते। संग साथ सितारे लाते हैं। लेकिन दिन में कहाँ छिप जाते। कुछ तो बोल कुछ तो बोल। चंदा मामा गोल मटोल। कुछ तो बोल कुछ तो बोल। खलते आते आज हो गोल खोल भी दो अब अपनी पोल। रात होते हैं तुम आ जाते। संग साथ सितारे लाते हैं। लेकिन दिन में कहाँ छिप जाते। कुछ तो बोल कुछ तो बोल। चंदा मामा गोल मटोल। How is it? The rhymes, children? You also try to sing the rhyme. Okay. The next, seek. Moral of the story. चांद अंधेरे में भी रहकर दूसरों को रोशनी देता है। Once again listen. चांद अंधेरे में भी रहकर दूसरों को रोशनी देता है। Being in darkness, moon gives us light. चांद अंधेरे में भी रहकर दूसरों को रोशनी देता है। Being in darkness, moon gives us light. Okay, clear children? This is our poem. Already we sing. This is the moral of the story. Okay, the next one, Shabdat. Word meaning. See, the same meaning and its English meaning also. Okay, shall we see? Pole. What is this? Pole. Raj. Secret. Pole. Raj is secret. Chanda, Chandrama is moon. Din, Divas, daytime. Din, Divas, daytime. Okay. Once again. Pole, Raj, secret. Chanda, Chandrama, moon. Din, Divas, daytime. Din also and Divas also the daytime. Okay. Chanda, Chandrama both is also moon. Pole, Raj both also secret. The next Sang, Saath, company. Sang, Saath, company. Sang and Saath also both is the meaning of the company. Sitare, Tare, stars. Sitare, Tare. See the rhyming also, no? Sitare, Tare, stars. Clear, children? Once again. Pole, repeat. Pole, Raj, secret. Chanda, Chandrama, moon. Din, Divas, daytime. Sang, Saath, company. Sitare, Tare, stars. Okay, right? Clear, children? The lesson and its meanings and its moral also. Okay. Shall we go to the next page? Yes. Abhyas, the exercises. Okay. See the book properly, children. What is the first Roman letter? Sahi ucharan kijiye. Pronounce correctly. Shall we pronounce this? Yes. Gol, matol. Ade, sang, chip, sitare. What is the meaning of the gol matol? We saw in the poem, no? Is chubby, matol, chubby. Ade, half. Sang, company. Chip, hide. Sitare, stars. Okay. Once again. Gol, matol. Gol, matol. Ade, sang, chip, sitare. Gol, matol. Ade, sang, chip, sitare. Right, children? Clear? Okay. The next one. समझिए, सोचिए और बताइए. Understand, think and answer. Okay, shall we answer these questions? चंदा मामा कब दिखाई देते हैं? कब? When does the moon appear in the sky? When the cub is the question word. We have to write the answer for this word. When the night time or daytime? When the moon appear? Is night time, no? What is that? Raat mein. You have to raat mein. Okay? This is the answer. चंदा मामा रात में दिखाई देते हैं. What is the question? चंदा मामा कब दिखाई देते हैं? चंदा मामा रात में दिखाई देते हैं. Right? The next. चंदा मामा कैसे रंग के होते हैं? What is the color of the moon? Chanda mama is a moon, no? Kaise rang, rang na color. Okay. What is the color of the moon? Yes. Do you know? Yes, I said no. White color, no? White. Safed. 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 Okay. चंदा मामा कैसे रंग के होते हैं? Say the answer. चंदा मामा सफ़ेद रंग के होते हैं. Just we have to remove this कैसे, the question word. We have to add the answer here. चंदा मामा सफ़ेद रंग के होते हैं. Right children? So here also चंदा मामा कब we have to remove the question word कब here and add the answer. रात में चंदा मामा रात में दिखाई देते हैं. Right? Clear children? What are the questions and answers? चंदा मामा कब दिखाई देते हैं? चंदा मामा रात में दिखाई देते हैं. The second question, चंदा मामा कैसे रंग के होते हैं? चंदा मामा सफ़ेद रंग के होते हैं. Okay, clear children? Shall we go to the next? The next Roman letter. सही उत्तर में टिक का निशान लगाइए. Tick the correct answer. Right? Okay, children. See that? What is the first question? चंदा मामा कैसे हैं? चंदा मामा कैसे हैं? गोल मटोल, लंबे चौड़े, दुबले पतले. You know. Yes, this is the correct answer. See the poem. Chanda mama gol matol, no, the chubby. So this is the answer. Chanda mama kaise hain? Gol matol. Shall we tick the correct answer? Yes, this is the correct. The next one. Chanda mama kab aate hain? Kab is the question answer, question word, no? When? रात में, दिन में, और सुबह. Which is the correct? Night time, daytime and morning. Which is the correct? Yes, रात में, night. चंदा मामा कब आते हैं? रात में. We have to take here. Okay. The next one. चंदा मामा अपने साथ क्या लाते हैं? चंदा मामा अपने साथ क्या लाते हैं? क्या is the question word, no? Which is the answer? सूरज, सितारे, हवा. What the moon will bring with its सूरज is sun, सितारे stars, हवा wind. Which is the correct answer? Yes, सितारे, stars. So you have to tick here. चंदा मामा अपने साथ सितारे लाते हैं. Okay, once again recall the questions. Listen children. चंदा मामा कैसे हैं? चंदा मामा गोल मटोल हैं. चंदा मामा कब आते हैं? चंदा मामा रात में आते हैं. चंदा मामा अपने साथ क्या लाते हैं? चंदा मामा अपने साथ सितारे लाते हैं. So सितारे is the correct answer. Right? Clear children? Okay. The next one. कविता की पंक्तियों पूरी कीजिए. Complete the lines of the poem. See the first paragraph. चंदा मामा गोल मटोल, कुछ तो बोल, कलते आधे आज हो गोल, खोल भी धो अब अपनी पोल. You have to fill the words here. Okay, yourself. See here only the poem. See properly, read it and hear it. You have to fill the gaps. Okay, the first paragraph only. Right children? Clear? Okay, shall we go to the next page? Yes, the next page. Yes, what is this Roman letter? Already we know the rhyming words. मिलते जुलते शब्दों को मिलान कीजिए. Match the rhyming words. Okay. What is that? गोल, लाते, पोल, अब, पानी, जाते, खोल, नानी, मटोल, तब. Are you clear now? Shall we match the correct words? The same sound of the word that is rhyming, no? See carefully. Goal. Okay, the sound, where is here the same sound? One by one you have to read. Jate, khol, nani, matol, tab. Goal, khol. Okay, match it. Right. The next one. Late, jate. Very good. Match it. Very simple only, no? The third. Pole. Already we finished two. The third one from we have to read. Nani, matol, tab. Pole, matol. Is right now? Yes. Is right or wrong? Yes, right. Match it. The next one. Ab, tab. Correct, no? Very simple. Pani, nani. Match it. Okay. Clear now? Goal, khol. Late, jate. Pol, matol. Ab, tab. Pani, nani. Once again. Goal, you have to say, children. Goal, khol. Late, jate. Pol, matol. Ab, tab. Pani, nani. The next Roman letter is, are you clear now? Okay, the next one. पढ़िए, समझिए और लिखिए. Read, understand and write. Okay, what is this? Shall we see? See carefully. टोकरी बहुत बड़ी थी. Here what will given? टोकरी बहुत बड़ा है. टोकरा. Yes, very good. टोकरी, टोकरा. बहुत बड़ी, बहुत बड़ा. See, टोकरा बड़ा. था. We have to correct the words. Okay. टोकरी बहुत बड़ी थी. टोकरा बहुत बड़ा था. Okay, now we have to change the word. शिवानी बहुत बली है. शिवानी is a girl, no? बहुत बली है. So now Ram is a boy. So Ram बहुत, what we have to write? Bali, bala. Bala. Clear, children? शिवानी बहुत बली है. राम बहुत बला है. Okay. Next. लड़का बहुत लंबा है. लड़का is a boy. बहुत लंबा. Okay. Now लड़की बहुत, what will come? लंबा और लंबी. Yes. लड़का लंबा. We have to write लंबी. La, im, बी. लंबी. लड़की बहुत लंबी है. Here girls na, girl form na, here also will come to the e sound. Here boy na, here will come to the a sound. Okay, children? Yes, once again. टोकरी बहुत बड़ी थी. टोकरा बहुत बड़ा था. शिवानी बहुत बली है. राम बहुत बला है. लड़का बहुत लंबा है. लड़की बहुत लंबी है. Okay, right, children? Clear? Okay. What is this? बिंदुओं को मिलाकर चित्र पूरा कीजिए. Join the dots and complete the picture. Okay, you have to join the dots. See the moon only short and come big and full moon. Okay, so you have to do and color it yourself. What color? The moon is also white color, no? Okay, you have to color it. Right, children? Are you clear now? The lesson Chanda Mama. You have to do the works in your book yourself, right? Okay. The poem also you have to read. Right? Clear, children? Okay. Now, shall we go to the class work? Take your class work. Okay, children. Take your class work. Now our class work time. Okay. We have 4 Roman letters for this class. The class work. Okay. Check it. You have to write the Chanda Mama Kavita, the topic of the lesson. Okay. The first Roman letter is, write the meanings. Write the meanings. Okay. The first one. What is this word? Polar. Pole. Same meaning of the Hindi. Raj. What is the meaning? Secret. Okay. Pole, Raj, secret. The second one. Chanda. What is this? This is the name of our lesson, no? Chanda. Chandrama. Chandrama. What is that? Is moon. Okay. The third one. Din. Is the Divas. Din means day. Daytime. Okay. The fourth one. Sunday. Sadhana company. Okay. The fifth one is Sithare. Tare. Tare stars. Okay. Listen, children. Pole, Raj, secret. The same meanings and the English meaning. Okay. Pole, Raj, secret. Chanda, Chandrama, moon. Okay. Din, Divas, daytime. Sun, Sat, company. Sitare, Tare, stars. Okay, Sitare also stars, Tare also stars. Okay, copy this one in your notebook. Clear, children? The meanings once again. Pole, Raj, Chanda, Chandra, Din, Divas, Sun, Sat, Answer the following. The first question. चंद्रमा कब दिखाई देते हैं? When does the moon appear in the sky? When? Okay, the moon, Chandrama, कब? When? Daytime or night time? Night time, yes. रात में is the answer. Okay, we should remove this kab word and we have to add the raat mein is the answer. Okay, रात में दिखाई देते हैं. Clear, children? When does the moon appear in the sky? The moon appears in the night time. Okay. रात में is the answer. Right? The next question. चंदा मामा कैसे रंग के होते हैं? What is the color of the moon? Do you know? Answer me. What is the color of the moon? The white in color, no? Yes. Chanda mama सफेद रंग. सफेद means white. सफेद रंग के होते हैं. Okay, should remove this कैसे the question word and we have to add सफेद. Okay, this is the answer. And one more question also we have. First you copy this one and then I will write here. Okay, copy this one. The next चलेगा? Don't worry ma, we will give the PDF format of the classwork, no? The third question is only 3 question answers. The third question is चंदा मामा अपने साथ क्या लाते हैं? The moon, what will bring with its what will bring? Yes, the stars only, no? चंदा मामा अपने साथ क्या लाते हैं? चंदा मामा अपने साथ सितारे लाते हैं. क्या क्या and after that सितारे. What is that सितारे? Stars. सितारे लाते हैं. Okay, copy this one. Now we have two more Roman letters only. Shall I write this board? The third Roman letter is match the rhyming words. Okay. Already we have in the book. Match the rhyming words. Do you know what is the rhyming word? The same sound is the rhyming words. We have some words. Goal, latte, then one pole, fourth one is up, fifth one pani, now this side जाते खोल नानी मतोल तब. We have to match the same sound of this words. Shall we see? Goal, latte, pole, up, pani. Here, jate, khol, nani, matol, tab. What is the first word? Goal. Where is that? The same word. Jate, khol. So, goal, khol. Match it. The next, latte. जाते same only ना लाते जाते. Next pole. What is the correct answer? Is nani matol tab. Pole matol. Ab tab. That's right. Very good. Pani nani. Once again. Goal, khol, latte, jate, pole, matol, ab, tab, pani, nani. Right, children? Copy this one. Okay. Shall I write? The last Roman letter is match the pictures with their names. For a long time after, now only the picture Roman letters maybe yes. Match the pictures with their names. Okay. What is the first picture? I will draw. You have to find. What is this? Yes, stars. What is this one? Moon. This is what is this one? Very good. The sun. Last one is tree. Okay. The words, the names is here. Suraj, Vriksha, Tare, Chanda, Chanda is also right. Okay. What is this? Stars. Stars. Tare is here. You have to match like this. Tare. What is this one? Chanda. Moon. This one is sun. Suraj. The last one is tree. Vriksha. Vriksha also tree. Okay. Copy this one. This is the last. Okay children, today we finished our lesson Chanda Mama, the moon. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye.